Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 year. We have the last NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 7 that I'm going to be showing you. We have a really cool car, Jimmie Johnson's number 48 Lowe's Power of Pride car. On the back, as you can see, most cars are from 2018. Two are from Xfinity. One's 2018, and one is from 2001, which is really cool. Let's get this car out of the box. So here's the car, Jimmie Johnson, 48, a red 48, and it says Powers of Pride. Also on the back, it shows like the information, what it says. So it is a historic moment for a future 7-time championship. And this was the first car he ever drove for NASCAR. And for Hendrick Motorsports as well. So here is Jimmie Johnson's number 48 car. Also on the card, it's the American flag. So here it is, Jimmie Johnson, Lowe's. It was known as a Chevrolet Monte Carlo back in 2001. Power of Pride, a red 48. The 48 is a little different than what the 48 does look like today. So basically, it wasn't yellow, it was red, and the 48 design is really different. So this was originally he was going to drive the 48 car with yellow on it, but after the 9/11 attacks, because his first career race is in the year 2001, so they decided to change the scheme to an American scheme. Also, there was another version of this where he had white 48s and not the red 48s, but I do like the red 48 on this car. It does say represents all American heroes, Power of Pride, the American flag, Lowe's. The last time you saw this paint scheme was in the Phoenix race where Jimmie did it for one last time with Lowe's in ISM Raceway in 2018. On the back, it says Power of Pride, and the rookie stripes because he was a rookie in 2001. Well, he was a rookie in 2002, but he was a part-time driver in 2001 before making a full-time start in 2002. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.